Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 42a. Words with Shamsi letters. Shamsi letters are related to this lam only, which is the. And because we don't start with Sakin letters in Arabic, we put temporary Hamza there and we say al. Now let's take a word starting with tongue tip letter tha, as in thawab, and join the two. Al-thawab. You have to move the tongue tip quickly because the makharij of tha and lam is the same, the tongue tip. To make it easy, we sacrifice lam and shadda is placed on tha. We say, instead of saying al-thawab, it is al-thawab. There is no sign on lam, so there is no sound. We just say al-thawab. Lam is sacrificed for all tongue tip letters as well as two more letters, sheen and dad. So there are 14 letters which are called Shamsi letters, sun letters, as in Shams. So you don't say Al-Shams, you say Ash-Shams. Please note, don't recite this one as Wa-Shams because the alif after Waw is not alif, it's a temporary Hamza. So we just say Wa-Shams. Similarly, Fa-Shams. Okay. Similarly, we say Wa-Amilu Salihat. We don't pronounce mad there. We don't say Wa-Amilu As-Salihat. We just say Amilus Salihat. Shamsi letters are approximately 2,500 times in the Quran, like 4 times per page, approximately. So let us start with tha, dha and wa. Repeat after me, and it's very simple. You just don't say lam. وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ لِلذِّكْرِ لِلذِّكْرِ والظالمين والظالمين فارتدط والتين والتين والدم والدم والطور والطور. Let's take za, sin and sad. It can be between two words like وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. So repeat after me. وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وآتوا الزكاة خلق السماوات أقيموا الصلاة فاللام نون را هو اللطيف رب الناس هو الرحمن فرشين ضاد من الشيطان ولا الضالين That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.